днес завършат съндъците, боксовете в Brawl Stars. Не мога да повярвам. Не мога да повярвам, мисля, че ще завърнат всички герои.
Classic Brawl starts on July 12th and runs until July 31st.
That's right.
Dude, I told you that's my line.
Who's up for Toga Tuesday?
Stop trying to make Toga Tuesday a thing.
Same time next week?
The Gods vs. Monster season unleashes mythical skins upon the land.
The Brawl Pass Medusa X, including Brawl Pass Plus Sapphire and Ruby.
Bull Minotaur, he's bulldozed the labyrinth.
RT Poseidon, ruler of the waves. Athena Piper grants you trick-shot wisdom.
The Gods vs. Monster season kicks off on July 4th.
Who doesn't love unicorns? Barry.
Barry is a tough and dry guy who was hired by Mandy to work at the candy shop in the unicorn costume.
He has to endure Chester's pranks and Mandy's chaos every day, but very deep in his cold heart.
И хора ще го направят с розово.
Damages enemies and also deals damage over time. And also heals teammates because friends like ice cream. Ice cream is great.
During his super, he dashes forward using his tail like a tasty tornado, splashing ice cream all around him. Ice cream.
And Barry also has an interesting trait. He can actually charge his super
И
like
той е новият герой.
just love ice cream. I mean Barry.
Barry is the first brawler of the update and it's arriving with the Dark Horse Barry skin.
Teaming up.
И тук съм с едни колеги. Те ми помагат в канала ми. И те...
Easier than ever to team up with your IRL friends with new group QR code.
And it's also going to
Да,
be
знам.
easier to continue playing with players you meet in game by allowing you to keep your team
Майче.
and the play again button.
Quick chat directly from the home screen.
Add friends directly after a match.
Most importantly, you will get double XP when you play in a team.
If you're not in a team, join a team.
We have 7 new hypercharges coming.
Barley throws 3 big brews that also destroys any bushes in the area.
Frank Super now attacks the entire area around.
Вау!
No more aiming required.
Angelo Super follows
Това са нови хайперчарджи.
Piper finally
Оранжевите, това са новите хайперчарджи.
when she uses her super and knocks back enemies
Oran-
wherever she lands.
Ems pushes brawlers away with her
That's
super
not
and follows up with a
hyper-
targeted spray.
It'll be
Rico's
fun.
super projectiles now bounce even further.
Gale's super is wider and fires twice. It's Paint Brawl!
The Paint Brawl season brings a new brawler and a new game mode, alongside new skins.
The Brawl Pass king for Paint Brawl is Jellyfish
wow.
Sandy, who is joined by the neon and glowing chroma skins in the Brawl Pass Plus.
A new brawler enters the fray. Meet Clancy, the shellfish soldier.
He's not a real lobster. Don't tell him that.
Clancy is a mythic damage dealer who can upgrade up to 3
Това
times
е
during a
mythic,
match by hitting brawlers with
такова.
dual paintball guns.
Мити герой, нали?
Search
Да,
works, but
mythic.
with a twist. Clancy also upgrades his super at each stage.
At his default stage 1, Clancy will fire a single shot with his basic attack and fire a torrent of bullets with his
Това е
super.
At
роза.
stage 2, he fires
Rosa.
2 shots in quick succession.
Не е
And
ли
his
някакъв
super will
друг?
cover a much larger area.
At stage 3, Clancy shoots Sidewinder
Вау,
paintballs
3
from his
пъти.
tail, adding some diagonal
Тромука.
attack pattern. He also moves faster when using his super. Look at him go!
Clancy launches alongside his Snake skin in the Paint Brawl season.
Ако сега сте играли с Brawl Stars, пишете ми в коментарите. Аз до сега никога не съм играла с Brawl Stars.
Players battle it out to cover the map with paint. The team with the most percentage of the map.
Не знам защо не съм играла никога с Brawl Stars. Не знам. Аз до сега не съм играла никога с Brawl Stars. Това Brawl Stars означава истинските
Това е Божи.
Sporting the latest rules.
истинските Brawl Stars, тези, които са не направили. Да, аз никога не съм играла с Brawl Stars в Brawl Stars. Ако вие сте играли, напишете долу в коментарите. Харесайте това видео и се абонирайте с камбанката за още такива яки и готини видеа.
Deal it out too.
Mac now shoots more projectiles while using a mecha, but